Hi, hey, this is John Kelsey with Red Rhino Estimating Software. This is for users of Red Rhino with PlanSwift. We got a couple reports back that PlanSwift failed to set up jobs. And in both instances, there were several hundred sets of blueprints. So I'm just going to make clear that you understand how to set up a job here. Let me just tell you out front. You always start with Red Rhino. You guys already know this if you've used it. You start by creating an estimate and then the sections, right? And the estimate appears in your connector. That's what we see on my screen. This here's the connector set up. These are the estimates I have in Red Rhino. And so in order to add a job, you select it and click Add Job to PlanSwift. Now I'm going to do that in a minute, but you'll notice this. I'm going to go through the whole process of setting up the job. Then I'm going to go into that job and going to set up, or I should say import blueprints then. So let me show you. I have that machine shop job selected. I'm going to click Add Job to PlanSwift. And then a window behind it opens. Let me just click on that. And I just follow the prompts here. I'll go next. Now, this is asking me to select the image files here. This is what you don't want to do yet. I'll show you how to do it after the fact, though. So click Next, and it'll give you this message, no images have been checked. Now, I don't usually like to turn these messages off, so I'm not going to check it. Don't ask again. So I know what's going on. I'm just going to say, yes. Do I want to proceed? Yes. Okay, and then Next. Okay, and then Finish. Now, we see now this is the connector, and it's opened this job in PlanSwift. Now, even though I should say it created the job in PlanSwift. Okay, now, even though it did that, I'm just going to go ahead and click Open Job on the connector and then minimize. So here's what you do. This is very simple. What you do is you go in here to the little green plus sign. See, that says Add Pages. Now, let me just tell you, this down here, this Pages and Bookmarks has to be clicked on to highlight. And you go up here and click on the plus sign, and then see the window opens Add Pages from Image Files. Then you just click Next. Now, I won't walk you through this because you already know how, but you go find the images you want, check the boxes, just go through the wizard, Next, and it'll import the plans into this job, okay? So that's the way to do it. Just remember, when you're setting up a job in PlanSwift, set up the plans after the fact, okay? And you do that with this little green plus sign right there. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks.